What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-time viewer, thanks for stopping in, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks again. Today we're going to be talking about the custom grill I got made for the 98. So basically one day I was just scrolling through eBay and I come across this product and I was like, wow, that's something I haven't seen yet for a truck like this. And basically the build on the 98 is going to be on its own. I don't want to like copy anybody's build. I want it to be my own. So when you guys see that, you're like, wow, that's the GM man. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Well, here it is. Like I said, I was scrolling through eBay one day and I come across this badass custom grill. So I messaged him and his name is Indigo Fabrication. I was like, hey man, I love the grill. Would you be willing to make me one? He said, yeah, sure. So we started talking. He makes basically anything you want. The ones I've seen for like this style, like the OBS Chevys and GMCs, were basically the GMC, there's a Chevy one, a Tahoe, Blazer, Yukon, you name it, he can make it. He said he makes basically anything you can think of for any grill you want. I love his work. It's not some cheap plastic one like you can get. It's actually metal. The retainers and stuff on the back are nice and heavy. It fits basically what I'm looking for on the dot. 100%. I would recommend him. I'm going to leave all his information down in the description. Go look at his stuff on eBay. Go follow him on Facebook. Just check him out. Great guy to work with too. His customer service, if you want to call it, he got back to me ASAP with any basically any questions I had. He answered them too. I mean, it was just fantastic. So go give him a follow. Like I said, everything will be down in the description. What else am I forgetting? Oh, this is the powder coated version. He said he can do powder coat, he can do color match, he can leave it primer if you want to paint it yourself, which I thought was pretty cool because he gives you a wide variety of options to do. But guys, like I said, go give him a follow. I want to thank him again at Indigo Fabrication. We'll get some close-up shots so you can actually see the grill up close and stuff, and then I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. See ya.
Brian Little.
Japan.